Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Honest Abe Living in the Kitchen. I am April Smith Patterson and I'm so excited to be here again with you today. And I get to welcome a special guest, my handsome husband, Nick Patterson, and he is actually a wonderful cook, so I'm very excited for this episode to get to have him involved. And welcome to our home. Welcome to our Honest Abe Blog home where we love our kitchen. I believe our kitchen's the favorite room of our house because we get to cook together and share meals together, and that's a very special time for us. If you hear children in the background, they're going to be joining us in a little bit. We've got a wonderful toddler, Axel, and a sweet little baby, Liam, who love to also cook. So you'll be getting to see them a little bit in this episode. And we're excited. So today we are going to be making Nutella star bread. So stay tuned and we're gonna have fun with this cool little recipe with a little bit of a twist. Okay, so the first step is we love to get out all of our ingredients. And so I have Axel here helping me with our ingredients because one of his favorite ingredients of all time is what? What is one of your favorite things? Nutella. He loves Nutella. We're gonna have 4 of the Crescent Dough Sheets.
I just stick it though.
We're gonna get some Nutella. That's what it calls for. Axel, you wanna show, what is that? How many eggs do we need?
We need 1 egg.
1 egg, and then we're gonna have some powdered sugar. Yep, for the top. So those are the items that you need to make this fun star Nutella bread recipe.
Thick
Bread, Crescent Dough Sheet.
This?
Yeah, we're gonna roll it out. Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready to get started?
I'm ready to make
High fives. Let's get to cooking. All right. All right, so our first step is you're gonna take one of the Crescent Dough Sheets, and we've got some parchment paper, and we're just rolling it out. And then we're gonna take our cake, like a 9-inch cake pan, and we're gonna cut a circle out of it. So once you get it all nice and evened out, we're just taking our little cake plate. To make a circle, there's a knife. So once you do that, we're just gonna take away the extra dough. We can do something with that a little bit later. I actually have an idea for it. So we're gonna reuse and recycle.
Mama, I just rolled it.
Would you like to cut you wanna help us with the next one? All right, because we need several circles, okay? We're gonna do 4 circles. So we got one down. Let's do another one. All right, so we're just gonna spread a little bit. We're just gonna dab some on with a spoon, and then if you ever have one of the, cake icing knives, those things are really great for this. So we're just gonna spread it smooth all across. Spread Nutella on each of the circles. You're just going to stack them one right on top of another. So this next part, and what you'll see Nick doing, is he has about a 2 or 3 inch glass cup into the center of the dough. So make sure to put a cup there, and then you're going to use a sharp knife to cut the dough into 16 even wedges. So in this video, you're going to see him, that's what he's doing right now, is he's cutting 16 even wedges. Okay, so now comes a little bit of a tricky part, but we're gonna get it. All right, so we're gonna take 2 layers and we're going to twist them away from each other 3 times. And then when we get to the end, you just pinch it at the end to make it look kind of pointy, kind of like a star. So we're just gonna keep doing this. I know it gets a little messy, but we're gonna take them and then we're gonna twist 1, 2, 3. And then when you're done, just kind of pinching the end of that. And when it bakes, it's gonna be absolutely beautiful. We're just gonna keep doing this all the way through, just taking them and twisting them. All right, so we're just twisting that. Isn't that pretty? All right. Next, we're gonna bake it in the oven on 350, and we're gonna see how this beautiful Nutella star bread turns out. Nutella star bread is finished. I've just put it on a little bit of a prettier plate. And the last and final step is we're just gonna take some powdered sugar and we're just gonna sprinkle over it so it'll be like snow. Just add a little extra. Oh, it's so pretty. So fun. So now you have your Nutella star bread for, you know, I think it's perfect for the winter season. So we wish you all, hope everyone had a Merry Christmas, and hope you all have a wonderful, happy, healthy, and very blessed new year.